welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Josephine. If you're new here, karibu sana. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming to watch my content over and over again. Today, as you've seen on the title, I'm doing a house tour. So apparently I'm moving out today, so I'm supposed to be packing, but I've decided before I pack, let me just do a house tour of the bedsitter that I've been living in. I've stayed in this bedsitter for 1 year now, and I felt it's time to make a change. So yeah, I am moving out. So this is just a brief house tour of where I was living, and then next I will show you a house tour of my next house where I will be moving in. So yeah, stay tuned till the end and enjoy the video. So once you get in, this is the door. Don't worry about the curtains. These are not the curtains that I've been using. I just washed my curtains because I need them cleaned for the next house. So this one, I just put it here to hold for today. So once you get in, this is the door, and the first thing that you'll see on your right, it's the sink. So this has been my countertop and sink, and this is where I place my spoons and whatever's. Yeah, and then on top of that we have the cabinet. On the open area, this is I've been putting my spices and things for cooking, and then this closed area I've been putting my utensils, so all the cups, plates, whatever, they are in here, but I'm not going to open that for today. And then down there we have the kitchen towel, spoons. I am definitely going to change this. I need the silicone ones. And then below that we have my cooker. It's a for burner. Yeah. And yeah, below it, it's just a storage area, as you can see. Yeah, and then right next to it, I have this rack. I've been using it for putting my dishes before they dry. So once I wash, I do put them here before, and then after they dry, then I'll put them in the cabinet. So yeah, these ones, I intended to put them on the countertop, but I realized there won't be enough space. So I just decided that they'll be staying right here, and then they'll separate the cooker from my fridge. Yeah. So next I have my fridge over here. It's a mini fridge, brand Hisense, and on top of it I have this dish. I bought this dish when I was carrying food to work. It's an electric dish, so you can warm food with it, but I don't use it anymore. And then my serviette and my cling film, and the fridge. So right now I've removed everything, and it's off because I need it to defrost before I move, because of pouring the water while moving. So yeah, for now it's just there defrosting. Yeah, and this is generally how my kitchen area is. Right after the kitchen, we have my living space, and yeah, it's a bit small, but I was pretty okay with that. So yeah, the first thing that you'll see, it's the couch. It's a two-seater. I bought this a while back while I was starting life, living alone. I bought it. And then this table, it's comfortable, but it's a bit big. I really want to change it. I need a smaller one. I never thought it's this big until I had it at home, and then I realized it's too big. So I've been wanting to change it for a while, But I think until I remove this one, that's when I'll buy another one. And then down I have a carpet which matches with the table and the seats. So the theme color of my house is gray. So you'll see most of my things are gray, black and white. So yeah, my table, the couch, and the carpet with the same colors. And then right next you have the TV stand over here. Yeah, I normally use most of it as my storage space as well. That's why I put my working materials, my laptops, my books. And then on top of it we have my TV over here. So yeah, on top of it we also have these deco pieces. We have these shells. I got them from Mombasa the first time I was there. And then we have this cute deco piece over here. I got it from Samburu, Masai village. Yep. And then on the right we have the extension and a Bluetooth device that I no longer use. Yep. And this cute little deco piece that I got from House of Leather. Yeah. And generally that's how my entertainment area looks like, and it's so cute. Yeah. So right on the left side of the door we have the bathroom. I won't show you inside, but yeah, that's the door to the bathroom. And then next to it we have this pretty table over here. So yeah, when I'm working from home, I normally use this as my study table and sometimes as my dining area. It's so pretty. This table runner and the mats and these deco pieces, I bought them at, how is it called, House of Leather. It's generally how that space looks like. After the mirror, my favorite spot of the room is this bed. It's also gray in color and my sheets are also gray. And on top of it I have that deco piece, Home Sweet Home. Initially it was supposed to go on top of the TV stand, but there was no space, so I just thought it should stay right over there. And then after the bed we have my shoe rack, which is over here, and it's just below the closet. So because of the limited space, I decided to put the closet just right next to my bed. So the first layer, these are the shoes that I normally wear most of the times, and then the layers at the bottom are the shoes that I don't wear most of the times. And then on top of the shoe rack, this is where I place my bags. Yep. And then next is the closet, which has just clothes and nothing much. Yeah, there's nothing much to see over there. It's just my personal stuff. And yeah, that's how my bedroom looks like.